So you clicked on the margarine version of the chocolate chip cookie. So we have the exact same ingredient as the cookie that we made with the butter. The only thing that we change is obviously the margarine. So we're gonna do the exact same recipe and see how it turns out. We're gonna go ahead and add the margarine, brown sugar, and the white sugar. And we're gonna combine this until it becomes a nice soft paste. Okay, so now the margarine and the sugar are nicely combined. We're gonna add salt, baking soda, an egg, a little bit of vanilla. Combine this together. But we're gonna go ahead and add the flour now and slowly combine. So now we're gonna just fold in the chocolate chips and we're ready to bake. You can tell the margarine version is a lot softer than the butter version. And since the batter is so soft, I'm gonna use an ice cream scoop to scoop these guys out. So right off the bat, after scooping the dough onto the sheet, I can tell that it's a lot softer. I have a feeling that these guys are gonna spread quite a bit when we bake them. And I think I made these bigger, so we got less cookies, but they're just really, really soft. So we'll see what happens. Same thing, we're gonna bake them at 375 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes, and we'll see how they turn out. Okay, so the cookies made with margarine are out of the oven. Since they were a little bit bigger, they baked for about 11 minutes. The tops are getting a little bit brown and the bottoms are definitely brown, but it does not smell at all of butter, obviously, because there's no butter in it, but it doesn't have that rich smell at all. We're gonna just cut one open and see how it looks inside and how it tastes. Okay, so the bottom's still browned nicely. And we're gonna just open this up. It's still quite doughy inside. Doesn't smell like cookies really. It smells kind of Play-Doh-y. And it's still very soft because it just came out of the oven. But we're gonna give this guy a taste. It really doesn't taste like anything. It doesn't have that nice rich cookie flavor that you expect from a chocolate chip cookie. If you're just eating this alone, it might be okay, but if you're comparing the butter version versus the margarine version, you will definitely taste the difference.